So let us start with the topic, that is resonance. What is resonance? That will do. What is resonance hybrid? That also will do. And what is resonance energy? That also will do. But let us start. What is the need of this topic? See, we have many near about 118 elements in the periodic table, but few molecules could not be described by this electron drop structures. Why? Because they are not stable. The one molecule that is not stable. So in certain compounds it could not be explained by one structure about how they are behaving. For sometimes in ozone it is like this, or sometimes it is like this. So whenever you want to decide or to go for further analysis, which kind of structure you will use, for that only we have this topic called resonance. So hence the need of more than one or two structures to describe a structure arise. For example, ozone, you have seen that first in this the double bond is on the left side, and next in the double bond is on the right side. So in such cases where more than one structure can be written but none of them is able to completely explain the non-properties of the given compound completely, we need resonance. So the different structures written are called resonatic as well as contributing or as well as canonical structures. Clear with this? What is this? The different structures written are called resonating, contributing or canonical structures. This phenomenon is called resonance. Till here it is clear? Okay. Further, you can see here the ozone is not stable in this two. This or either this, both ozone could not give the complete properties of ozone. So this is the main resonance hybrid of this. In this way, many molecules are explained. The best for that is benzene. It was described by many scientists, and at last we will visit the first, that was described by Kekule. Just see what I am doing. Here it is the compound of benzene. First the double bond comes here, then it is here, then it is here. Yes or no in first structure? In the next structure you can see that the double bond will shift from this position to this position, then next position to this, and this to this. So this both are not stable and are not able to explain the properties. So in the last what you will do? You will write like this. Yes or no? So this is the resonance hybrid of benzene. So this structure, is it a main, or can you explain it why we are using this? Because the actual structure lies between this. The actual structure of ozone lies between this. Yes or no? It is neither a mixture or nor it is contributing forms. It is entirely new and a individual structure. Clear with this? What is resonance? Now the last one, the difference between the actual energy of the resonance hybrid and that of the most of the stable resonating structure with least energy is needed. Why least energy? As the energy is least, जब energy least होगी तब क्या होगा? Stability बढ़ेगी. जब energy ज़्यादा होगी तो stability कम होगी. Yes or no? You can compare this with person. The person with very high amount of air will move up and come down, and the person who is stable, that will go up and up only. Yes or no? The same is chemistry lies with the molecules. The molecule which has the least energy, this one has the least energy, so this one is stable. Yes or no? Are you getting why resonance explains this structure? Clear with this? If any doubt, then you can say the same conditions will apply for the conditions for resonance. Okay.